As the sun sets over the Hanthana Mountains, the sound of birds returning to their nests fills the air, a gentle reminder of how precious our planet's wildlife truly is. So if you ever visit Kandy, make sure to explore this colorful world of wings and song. It's more than a destination. It's an experience that touches the heart. The park offers guided tours, resting spots, and a cozy cafe overlooking the hills, perfect for relaxing after your walk. Clean facilities, friendly staff, and well-maintained enclosures make your visit comfortable and memorable. Whether you're a family, a couple, or a solo traveler, Hanthana Bird Park promises a peaceful escape into nature's melody. Beyond entertainment, Hanthana Bird Park plays an important role in conservation and education. The park supports breeding programs for endangered species and works closely with wildlife experts to ensure the safety and health of every bird here. Visitors can learn about each species, their diet, behavior, and the importance of protecting their natural habitats. It's not just a park. It's a place that inspires love and respect for nature. One of the highlights at Hanthana Bird Park is the interactive feeding experience. Visitors can hand-feed certain birds under the guidance of trained staff, a fun and educational moment, especially for children. There's also a mini zoo area, butterfly garden, and a small reptile corner, making it a complete family adventure spot. As you walk through the lush pathways, you'll encounter several themed zones, each dedicated to different bird families. There's the parrot paradise, where vibrant macaws and cockatoos greet you with playful chatter. The tropical aviary, echoing with the songs of canaries and lovebirds. And the waterbird zone, where pelicans, herons, and flamingos glide gracefully over clear ponds. Don't forget your camera. Every moment here is a picture waiting to happen. The Hanthana Bird Park was created to protect and showcase the incredible bird diversity found in Sri Lanka. Here, you'll find species from all over the world, living in spacious, eco-friendly aviaries designed to mimic their natural habitats. From tiny hummingbirds to majestic macaws, every corner of this park is filled with life, color, and melody. And the best part? You can experience it all surrounded by the cool, misty breeze of the Hanthana Mountains. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and nature adventures. See you at the next destination.